Namaste, I'm Nimmi.
And namaste, I'm Tina. And today we're here to talk about Temple Growing Hands Hair Oil. Now we've all heard the saying and the phrase growing hands. And today Nimmi is going to go into depth about Temple Growing Hands Hair Oil.
Well, what is growing hands? We've heard this term thrown about all the time. Growing hands is supposed to be where somebody has this magical touch with their fingertips or their hands to be able to give you that beautiful, lush, thick, gorgeous hair that you always dream about.
Yes.
And they're supposed to have this secret in their hands, right? Now, let me ask you, it's wonderful to have somebody who can transform your hair with a beautiful hairstyle, a lovely weave, extensions, color, perm, cut, whatever. But on a regular basis, to have your own hair be beautiful for you and to give you the power, don't you wish you had growing hands for yourself, for your own hair and for your family's hair? Why not put the power of Ayurveda, which is the ancient science of herbal medicine, and all the good stuff that comes with that, in your hands, so you can have the power of growing hands in the palm of your hand? Join us, please. We are here to share our information and our knowledge
And our experiences.
together so that we can show you how to do this for yourself and give you the power of growing hands hair oil to make things happen for you in your hair world.
Join us. Namaste.
Be sure to click on the bell icon and also to hit the subscribe button so you can get all of our updates and learn all the secrets of Ayurveda.